doing the 4-wheel drive track up to Montezuma Falls.
Because I don't want to walk 11 kilometres.
Chalky's been lazy, so he's decided to do the 4-wheel drive track. Some skinny little sections along the way, but yeah, so...
Got some pinstriping on the Ranger.
That's right, and yeah, so it's a 10-kilometre walk, round trip walk, or you can do this 4-wheel drive track. I wouldn't recommend doing the 4-wheel drive track if it's been raining. Well, we did the Montezuma 4-wheel drive track. It took us 3 hours to go 14 kilometres, but Chalky had some fun winching us out a couple of times. But the thing is, we've got to go back now, so let's see how long it takes us to get back. Anyway, we're going to hike on over and see the falls and go from there. Cheers. So this is the swing bridge.
Big fella's going across the bridge. Cool.
Our turn next to go across the swing bridge. Holy dooly. What do you reckon, Harley? Let's see how we go. Whoop. Yeah. That's Montezuma Falls. As we head on across. Swaying a bit. I'm not going to look down, but anyway, that's all good. Miss Woody's good. She's rocking the swing bridge here. Righto. Rightio, we're at Montezuma Falls, and it's 104 metres high, one of the tallest waterfalls in Tasmania. So we entered by the 4-wheel drive track. Took us 3 hours to do 14 kilometres. So anyway, we're gonna head back. So it'll probably take us 4 hours, but anyway, no, enjoying it here. It's lovely here. Recommend it, and also it's pet friendly. Bloody hell. When you go down, you've got to go up. Fuck. Right, now I've got to get across. Great. Always love this, and Miss Woody's taking this in her stride. I know, that's what I went shut for. Holy f***. Oh. That's how he does it. So we're just stuck on a bit of a rock there, and Chalky's just going to gently winch it out so that we don't do any damage to the bottom of the car. Just hope that tree doesn't give way. Starting to rain, so we'll hightail it back. I don't know what went crash then, but fucking hell. This is the last hairy one, so if we can get out of this. Shit. All these bloody noises, I tell ya. And you've got to get out of this shit first. Ooh. Fucking Jesus. husband is just amazing. Boy. Well, we survived the Montezuma Falls four-wheel drive track. It took us 3 hours to go in there and just under 2 to come back out, and it was raining when we were coming out. No casualties, and had a great time. Who goes forward driving with the tow hitch on?
Yeah.
We do! And a paddleboard as well, because we hadn't intended on going on this four-wheel drive track, so we didn't bother to unhitch, and just last minute decided to head off. So anyway, made it through. It's all good. Didn't lose a fin off the paddleboard, so that's even better. And yeah, highly recommend it.
Lost 2 beers.
Oh, we lost 2 beers, yeah. Oh, dude's in trouble.